Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be showing you viewers how I make my fermented rice and hibiscus water. Guys, I will put a link in the description box down below so you can have a look at it if you are interested. I have taken my time and effort to conduct a lot of research before I started having my own line for fermented rice and hibiscus water. The reason why I combined hibiscus and rice together, because rice water, as we all know, in Peruvian region and the southern part of China, most of the women there, both old and young, use the rice water to help grow their hair, and their hair is so long and luscious that I had to do a research and start using it on my own hair to make sure that it worked. And the only reason why I sell these products is because it 100% works. My product worked 100% because I've done a lot of research and I've used time and effort. Today I will be showing you the basics of the basics. I will be doing my fermented rice and hibiscus water. I will be only showing you some of the ingredients because I sell this product on my website. I will not be disclosing it, but I will be showing you enough for you to help use it at home if you want. On my website, I've got the fermented hibiscus rice water for hair, and it comes in two sizes. At the moment, I'm out of stock for the 200ml. I only have the 120ml, and this is what you will receive when you get it. And this is made out of a lot of goodies for the hair. So I'll be showing you the process of how I make my fermented rice and hibiscus water. And guys, most fermented rice water really smells extremely badly, but mine only smells of mint. I use the mint plant if I do not have mint oil at home, but most of the time, if I do have mint oil at home, I use mint oil. And I also sell my hair oil, and this hair oil is made up of 16 different ingredients, guys. And we have the 50ml and we also have the 100ml. Using these two combined, your hair will grow. The ingredients I use for my fermented rice water, I use rice. Any sort of rice is good. Hibiscus leaves, dried hibiscus leaves, and hibiscus leaves is very good for alopecia, baldness. It's known for its properties to help with hair growth. That's the reason why I mix the hibiscus leaves with the rice to ferment it together. So basically rice, hibiscus leaves, and I also use orange peels, and I use grapefruit peels, and I add a bit of ingredients that I'm not going to talk about because I am selling this, so I am going to give you the enough that is good for your hair. But if you really want to know if this works, check the link down below in my description box. I will be telling you proper benefits of what the grapefruit skin does for the hair. So grapefruit, actually the juice of the grapefruit help to get rid of the buildup that can mess up the protein layer of your hair. So it gets rid of the buildup that can mess up the protein layer of your hair. It contains vitamin A and C, and it helps to boost the hair growth. Grapefruit, actually the skin of the grapefruit helps also with the smell of this fermented rice, because guys, I leave it there for 2 weeks and you know it smells, and this really helps. So the reason why I use orange peels as well is that the orange is rich in antioxidants and other nutrients, and that plays a major part in facilitating hair growth. The antioxidants fight off free radicals and prevent hair damage and boost hair growth. Orange also contains vitamin B12 and vitamin E, and further helps in repairing damaged hair follicles, guys. So that is the main reason I add this orange peels and a bit of the orange juice mixed with it, and that is the main reason why. So I mix all of these and I add my secret ingredient, which is the orange peels and also my grapefruit peels added with my hibiscus leaves. Is very good for helping alopecia, as I said, hair growth. That is, and also the rice is very vital. That is like one of the main ingredients. So after that, I mix everything together. Then I add a bit of mint oil to give it a sort of minty smell, because one thing we hate is putting anything that smells on our hair. And guys, after that, I put it on the fire for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I will be showing you viewers how I make it. I put it on the fire for about 5 to 10 minutes, and guys, let me just tell you, afterwards I leave it there for 2 weeks before I start bottling it, and this is how it looks like. And when you get on the website, I also have my magic oil, and this oil has 16 ingredients. 16 ingredients, guys, and it's 100% cold pressed with jojoba, almond, avocado, grape seed, coconut, castor, black castor, hemp seed, clove, rice bran, tea tree, rosemary, orange, vitamin E, and lavender oils. All these oils in one bottle. Guys, if you really want to know the difference in the growth in my hair, I will be doing more videos about my natural hair journey pretty soon. But guys, I just thought I should come on camera and show you how I make my fermented rice and hibiscus water from scratch. And guys, I know you viewers, if you go on my website and you check this, it's amazing. You will not be disappointed. The prices are quite affordable, and I make them in 100 mils and 200 mils. And yes guys, I am excited to share my new hair journey with you. I'll be seeing you viewers pretty soon. Stay blessed and check my website out. Bye.